My newer people, our forefathers were not fools. My newer people. 1. When stranger and bad things happen, they ask God questions. They don't thank him. My newer people. 2. When they want food, they go to farms, they don't go to pray in their shrines. My newer people. 3. When any of them commits sin, he is punished to deter others from doing the same. They don't tell God to forgive him. My newer people. 4. When they want money, they sell their farm products. They don't pray to God to give them. My newer people. 5. When they are sick, they go to an herbalist or make use of herbs and roots. They don't wait for miracles. My newer people. 6. When they want a wife, they investigate the would-be in-laws. They don't pray in the shrine for signs and wonders. My newer people. 7. When one of them dies, they come together and bury him. They don't calculate and request the payment of his shrine levies before burial. My newer people. 8. The village chief priest has his farm and works to sustain his family. He doesn't wait for tithes. My newer people. 9. Their wives respect and call their husbands. 9. You daddy and not the chief priest. My newer people. 10. Our ancestors never built $1 billion house for their God and live in trenches. Rather, they built poor huts because a God doesn't need a house. My newer people. Go back to your roots and have peace.